Welcome to Car Insights, your go-to channel for the latest reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, a luxury compact SUV that blends cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and sophisticated design. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is an embodiment of elegance and innovation. It offers a refined driving experience, with a focus on comfort, safety, and advanced connectivity. The exterior design is sleek and modern, featuring bold lines, a distinctive grille, and LED lighting that enhances its sophisticated appearance. With a variety of color options and wheel designs, the Corsair allows you to personalize your SUV to match your style. Inside the cabin, the Corsair delivers a premium experience with high-quality materials and thoughtful craftsmanship. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5, and the available leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of luxury. The seats are not only stylish but also highly functional, offering power adjustments, heating, and ventilation for maximum comfort. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel, letting natural light flood the cabin. Under the hood, the Corsair offers multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and a hybrid variant for those seeking efficiency without compromising performance. The engines are paired with a smooth and responsive transmission, providing a balanced ride whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The Corsair also comes with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring confidence in various driving conditions. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Corsair. It features a large touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest software, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice controls. The available Revel audio system provides an immersive sound experience, perfect for enjoying your favorite music or podcasts on the go. The Corsair also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that your system stays up to date with the latest features. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Corsair, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The Lincoln Copilot 360 system works seamlessly to provide peace of mind and make every drive safer. Cargo space is another strong point of the Corsair. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the storage area, accommodating larger items or luggage for weekend getaways. The hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading a breeze, adding to the convenience factor. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair strikes a perfect balance between luxury, performance, and practicality, making it a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV segment. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that offers cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, or a smooth driving experience, the Corsair has something to offer. Thank you for tuning into Car Insights. We're dedicated to bringing you detailed reviews and insights on the latest cars, helping you make informed decisions about your next vehicle. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the newest releases and in-depth reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Your support keeps us going and helps us deliver the content you love. See you in the next video.